Hey gang, this is Mike with Mr. No Fluff. I'm super excited with you guys to share a hot deal that one of my students just got. Let's talk about the deal, guys. The deal is in Texas, Dallas-Fort Worth area. The ARV, which is the after repair value, is at $195,000, almost 200, and the cash price is at 119K. So there's a significant amount of equity in here, and the repair cost is about 10K. Let's take a look at the pictures, guys. All right, there you go. Um, the living room, one of the bedrooms, so on. There you go. And you need some kitchen work. There you go. All right. I mean, it's a big backyard. That's the front of the house. So again, the property is a wholesale deal. The after repair value is worth 195,000. Cash value is 119. Repair is 110. If you're interested in this property, leave a comment. And or if you're interested in getting properties like this, where it's a deep discount, or if you're interested in getting owner financing properties, then you should definitely join my profit sharing coaching. Basically say goodbye to bloodsucker gurus and say hello to profit sharing. The bottom line is I hold your hand. I help you do deals just like the last two students got deals. I help you do deals. Okay, it's that simple. You don't pay me a big lump sum of money like the other guys demand. The only time you give me a check is when you get a check. So let me say that again. Let me make it simple. When you get paid is when I get paid. Okay, and what kind of deals can we do? This type of deals. Okay, deals where I help you negotiate, I help you find, I help you structure, I help you cash checks, whatever is required. I help you do that. In return, you split the profits with me. Okay. To get more information about the profit sharing coaching, just go to Mr. No Fluff, or better yet, click on profit sharing right here, profitsharing.mrnofluff.com. You'll get to this page, and I'll talk about exactly the scams that other free seminars do. It talks about what you're going to get, and it also talks about how the profit sharing is going to work. So the first two deals, I'm going to get paid a little bit more because I got to do all the sweat equity in a sense to help you negotiate this and that. So the first two deals, I'm going to get 55%. The remaining seven deals, I'm going to get 50%, and you're going to get 50%. Pretty simple, guys. You only pay me when I get paid. Very simple. Okay. Now, if you're interested in the profit sharing, leave a comment or go to mrnofluff.com. If you're interested in this property, which is a smoking deal, then leave me a comment, especially in today's market. Let's take a look at the property one more time. This is the front door. It does need some rehab. This is a great rental property. This is a great fix and flipper. This is even a great owner financing where you can turn around and create a new note and just re just collect monthly payments. Sorry guys, I had a brain fart. Um, my kids running around here. All right, guys. So if you're interested in this property, leave a comment. If you're interested in getting deals like my students are getting deals, then definitely join the mastermind called the Abundance Club. My students are starting to do deals. You guys are seeing it. Or join the profit sharing. Again, students are doing deals. You're seeing it. Okay. Thanks for watching. Click like. Let's share this message, and let's make your dreams come true. Peace, guys.